How to use your Chime Virtual Card anywhere. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how we can use our Chime Virtual Card anywhere. Whether you're shopping online or paying for subscriptions or even making in-person purchases, it is very quick and easy. So let's just get started with the video. First thing first, open up the Chime application onto your device. After that, go to the card section. Just go ahead and tap on the card section. After that, tap on Get Virtual Card, or you may just go ahead and click on the third option, which is View Your Card. After going there, you just need to enter your card number and expedition date in CVV found and complete your purchase just like you would with any kind of physical card. And when you're ready to check out, you can just go ahead and choose your credit card or debit card as a payment method from within the app, and then complete your purchase just like you would with any other physical card. If you want to use a Chime Virtual Card for in-person payments, you can easily add it to your digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and just go ahead and do that. Enter your details from your Chime Virtual Card, and your virtual card will be ready to use for in-person for tap payments as well. And there you should have it. That is how you're gonna be ready for your Chime Virtual Card anywhere online or in person. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. And if you have got any questions or want to see more videos like this, just drop them in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.